Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Mishra. Today going to continue with the standard 7 revision for chapter first. Already done कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज. इसमें हम लोगों ने असेंबली लैंग्वेज, मशीन लैंग्वेज, हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज सब पे चर्चा कर चुके हैं. एक बार इसके मुख्य बिंदु जो हैं जैसे लेडी एडा लवलेक क्या थी, फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामर. She was the daughter of the famous English poet Lord Byron, and the term software was the first used by John W. Tolkien in the 1957. Okay. Syntax are the rule governing the formation of the statement programming language. Fortran क्या है? Fortran is one of the easiest computer language that is designed for scientist and the engineer. COBOL was designed for the business language. स्पेस वॉर was the first interactive computer game. तो क्वेश्चन इसमें से यह आ सकता है कि फोटोन का इस्तेमाल किस काम के लिए होता है और कोबोल किस काम के लिए होता है, स्पेस वॉर क्या था ये. इसके बाद एक बार रिवीजन है. यह भी फर्स्ट चैप्टर का fill in the blanks की प्रोग्राम is a set of instruction which tells the computer to what to do, and the development of the computer language can be classified into 5 categories. A machine language consists of the binary number, that is the 0 and 1, and assemblers convert assembly language into machine language. High level language use simple English words and mathematical operators. Assembly language use mnemonic codes, and syntax are the set rules governing the formation of the statement on a programming language. In binary language, 0 means off and 1 means on state. Now, true false. Okay. Machine language is the only language that computer understand is true. Assembly language is regarded as the first generation language is false. Each programming language has its own specific rules is true. A computer convert high level language program into machine language line by line is false. A high level language program has to convert into machine language by the translator program is true. And Fortran language was designed for the business user is false. Programming is the process of the writing a specific instruction in a computer language is true. A machine language use mnemonic code is false. So these are the true false of the chapter. Now MCQ. A program written in the assembly language is called source program, and interpreter convert high level language into machine language line by line. A programmer convert machine language by the translator is called assembler. The term software first used by the John W. Tolkien. So these are the first chapter. Now chapter 2 more on the Windows. In this chapter, important thing is to create a new blank desktop. Press the Windows key plus Control plus D, and Cortana also be activated by the clicking on the search box by the following the click on the small Cortana circle displayed on the lower left side of the menus. Windows 10 all apps option has been omitted in the Windows 10 anniversary, and now you can look the various applications directly by clicking the start button. And in the task view button you can close the current desktop by pressing the Windows plus Control plus F4 combination, and to delete the note button use Control plus D. MPGH is a group of the standard developed by the Moving Picture Expert Group for digital container standard audio and video compression standard. A step recorder is a tool that helps in troubleshooting in a program occurring in Windows 10. It creates a file that contains the screenshot of the every action that is performed by the system, description of the action in the plain English, and the exact date and time of the action that help in the solving the problem. Now fill in the blanks of this chapter. Microsoft Windows Media Player used to run and organize digital media file on a computer. Ripping refers to the copying song from the CD, DVD, computer. Different styles of the writing character text in the specific size is known as the font. Disk cleanup is used to remove the unnecessary file from the computer hard disk. and Continuum allow you to change the Windows 10 into the touch friendly interface called tablet mode. Now true false, you can drag and drop app from one desktop to another in the task view pane is true. Windows 10 automatically change the tablet mode if detects there is no keyboard attached is true. The reading mode of the Microsoft Edge option opens a new web with the new picture displayed is false. Windows Hello enable you to perform quick actions such as adjusting the screen brightness is false. And burning a CD and ripping a CD are the two entirely different options is true. Now MCQ. First question is you can customize the mouse setting by selecting the mouse option. The Action Center display the alert for every device and all the apps in the side out pane on the right of the desktop. And task view is a new features in Windows 10 which enable you to organize the applications running on your computer. Thank you. Have a nice day.